Hello, friends! If you want to practice speaking English a little every day, then today's video is going to be very useful for you. In this video, we are going to practice 300 daily English sentences that people use in their everyday life. By repeating these sentences, your speaking will improve, your pronunciation will become clearer, and your confidence will grow. Here is the best way to watch this video. Whenever I say a sentence, repeat it out loud after me. The more you speak, the faster your English will improve. So let's begin. Part 1. Easy sentences. 1 to 100. I am ready. I understand. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Can you repeat that? What is your name? My name is Rahul. How are you? I am fine. Nice to meet you. Where are you going? I am going home. What are you doing? I am studying English. I am learning every day. I like this. I don't like this. This is easy. This is difficult. Let's start. Wait a moment. Please help me. I need help. I will try. Don't worry. Everything is okay. That's a good idea. That sounds great. I agree with you. I don't agree. Please sit down. Stand up, please. Listen carefully. Look at this. Read this sentence. Write it down. Think about it. Try again. Very good. Keep practicing. I am busy. I am free now. Call me later. I will call you. See you tomorrow. See you soon. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good night. I am hungry. I am tired. I am happy. I am excited. I am ready to learn. Let's go. Come with me. Stop here. Wait here. Follow me. That is interesting. Tell me more. I like learning English. English is important. Practice every day. Never give up. Stay motivated. Keep learning. Believe in yourself. You can do it. Speak clearly. Speak confidently. Don't be afraid. Mistakes are okay. Learning takes time. Be patient. Stay positive. Focus on practice. Improve every day. Keep moving forward. Start today. Start now. Don't wait. Take action. Work hard. Stay focused. Believe in practice. Success will come. Trust the process. Keep going. I enjoy learning. Learning is fun. I love English. English is useful. I will improve. I will succeed. I will practice daily. I am getting better. I am improving. I am confident. I am trying to improve my English. Practice makes perfect. I watch English videos every day. I listen to English conversations. I repeat sentences loudly. This helps my pronunciation. I want to speak English fluently. I will not give up. Learning English is my goal. I practice speaking daily. I am building my confidence. I am improving step by step. Every day I learn something new. I enjoy practicing English. I want to speak like a native speaker. I try to speak English every day. I learn from my mistakes. Mistakes help me improve. I believe in daily practice. My English is getting better. I listen to English podcasts. I watch English movies. I repeat what I hear. I practice with my friends. I speak without fear. I want to improve my vocabulary. I learn new words daily. I write English sentences. I read English books. Reading improves my English. Listening helps my understanding. Speaking improves my confidence. Practice makes me better. I enjoy learning new things. I am becoming more confident. English opens many opportunities. English connects people. English is a global language. Learning English is important. I am committed to learning. I will keep practicing. I will stay consistent. I will never quit. I believe in myself. I will achieve my goal. Small steps create big results. Daily practice brings success. I am moving forward. I am improving day by day. I am proud of my progress. I practice speaking every morning. I learn something new every day. I stay motivated. I stay focused on my goal. My journey has just started. I am excited to learn more. I enjoy the learning process. I believe I can succeed. I am getting stronger in English. I will become fluent. I like speaking English. Speaking English feels good. I feel confident now. My pronunciation is improving. I am learning quickly. I speak slowly and clearly. I understand better now. I am making progress. I enjoy practicing daily. I am moving closer to fluency. My English is improving. I feel more confident. I can speak better now. I understand more words. I keep practicing daily. I am proud of myself. I am learning with passion. I am improving every day. I am enjoying the journey. I believe in hard work. I keep moving forward. I never stop learning. I stay consistent. I stay motivated. I stay focused. My goal is fluency. I will reach my goal. I trust my effort. I trust the process. I believe in improvement. I practice speaking loudly. I repeat sentences clearly. I learn from every practice. I build my confidence daily. I keep challenging myself. I am becoming fluent. I am speaking better. I am learning faster. I am improving constantly. I am proud of my progress. Friends, if you repeated these sentences with me, then you did a great practice today. Always remember, the best way to learn English is to practice speaking every day. If you keep practicing like this daily, your English will improve step by step. If you want to improve your English speaking, make sure to subscribe to this channel, because here you will find daily English speaking practice, easy English lessons, and powerful techniques to improve your fluency. So subscribe now and press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.